Hello, my name is Omkar Sanjay Karande and today's topic is methods in Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language. In a Java, method is a block of code or collection of statement. Method are used from reusability of the code. By using this method we use in many times in our programming code. So main advantage of method is reusability of the code. And method is called when we create object, and by using this object we call the method. When we call the method, then method are execute. So method is written inside the class. Class is a blueprint of the object. Also class is a logical structure for creating objects. Class contain methods and variables. And object is the instance of a class. Also object is a physical entity that has state and behavior. So method is a concept are used in all the object-oriented programming languages like Java programming language, C++ programming language, Python programming language. Method are similar to function or method written inside the class. In method, there are three access specifiers: public, private, and protected. Access specifier are used to define how we will access the class members. In public access specifier, the class members are not accessible outside the class. In private access specifier, the class member cannot be accessed outside the class. And protect specifier, the class member cannot be accessed outside the class, but they are accessed in inherited classes. So method is used in object-oriented programming languages. Method is used for the reusability of the code. And method is execute when it is called. By calling the method, we use object of the class. By using object, we call the method. Method contain variables and logic. So method used in all the object-oriented programming languages like Java, C++, Python, PHP. In Java, method is defined in public method, private method, and protected method. These are three access specifiers used in Java, and they are used to define the methods. Method are used in object-oriented programming language, and method used in Java for method is a block of code or collection of statement. Method is used for reusability of the code. Suppose you are write one method and this method are used many times in our code, so it is very useful for reusability of the code. Code are not rewrite again and again, so it is advantage of methods. Method is execute when it is called, and by calling the method we use object of the class. By using this object we call the method, and when we call the method, then method are execute. means output are displayed by the user. Public, private, and protected are the three access specifiers are used to define the methods.